acquaintance be forgot and never brought to mind? Should all acquaintance be forgot and all lang syne? For all lang syne, my dear, for all.
Het zijn geen stoute kinderen meer.
Oh, geen stoute kinderen meer. Oh, zo plastic, hè? Zo plastic Christmas tree. I'm gonna make this one first. Anjay. Oh, this is, look at the, this need to open it all. And then will be look like this one. It's already open. What is Andy? Papanya.
In a boot.
Moo. Kapton niet naar binnen. Moo.
En deze moet weg.
Ik kan niet naar binnen. This we got for 50% off. This all. This one, how cute is it? We buy it when it's the end of the year. Then is everything is discount. This one also. And this one. And this one, look at that. So beautiful. 50% off. And the rest we use the leftover before. Recycle, recycle, recycle. Eddie, bye-bye. Oh. It's a night, night, night. Mooi. De zak van Sinterklaas, Sinterklaas, Sinterklaas. We wish you Merry Christmas. We wish you Merry Christmas. We wish you Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. Andy, kijk zoveel lampje. Hebben ster, hebben vogel.
For all lang syne, my dear, for all lang syne, we'll take a cup